Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Development of the interarterial septum. So the first is the interarterial septum. It develops from the septum primum. IS develops from the septum primum and also the septum secundum. Next is the septum primum. It begins to develop at 28 age. Septum primum, it develops at 28 days, and it is a thin crescentic fold of the endocardium. It arises craniodorsally. So it is craniodorsally, and it grows down to the AV cushions. Next is it leaving the septum primum below its free edge. So it leaves the ostium primum. So ostium primum below the free edge. Next is the septum primum. It fuses with the AV cushions. So septum primum fuses. Fuses with what? Fuses with the AV cushions at approximately 35 days. So AV cushions, it fuses at 35 days and obliterating the ostium primum. So obliterating the septum primum, ostium primum. Next is the ostium secundum, is an opening of the upper part of the septum primum. So it is an upper opening of the septum primum, and it forms at about 33 days, and that is before the ostium primum closes. So before the closing of the ostium primum, the septum secundum is a thick muscular septum. So it is thick muscular septum that arises on the right septum primum, and it grows from the roof of the atrium, and it grows from the roof of the atrium but does not reach the AV cushion. Next is the gap between the two septa is known as a foramen ovale. The gap between two septa is foramen ovale. After the foramen ovale, it is obliterated and by the cushion of the septum primum and the secundum. In terms of the adult anatomy, the annulus ovalis and the limbus fossa ovalis is the lower free edge. So annulus ovalis and the limbus ovalis, if you see, it is nothing but the lower free edge of the septum primum, septum secundum, while the floor of the fossa ovalis is nothing but the septum primum. So fossa ovalis is SP, that is the septum primum. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.